Peace begins with a smile. Inhale the future, exhale the past. Peace is not the absence of conflict, but the presence of harmony. Serenity is not freedom from the storm, but peace amid the storm. The quieter you become, the more you can hear. Let go of the past and embrace the present moment. Peace is the beauty of life. It is sunshine and a smile. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Live in the moment and make it so beautiful that it will be worth remembering. Silence is the sleep that nourishes wisdom. Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Calmness is the cradle of power. The present moment is all you ever have. Find joy in the ordinary. The greatest self is a peaceful smile that always sees the world smiling back. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Peace is a journey of 1,000 miles, and it must be taken one step at a time. In the midst of movement and chaos, keep stillness inside of you. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Breathe in peace. Exhale chaos. Be gentle with yourself. You are a work in progress. The more you love, the more you find peace within. Let your soul stand cool and composed before a million universes. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Peace is the greatest weapon for development that any person can have. The quieter you become, the more you can hear. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Let go of the things that no longer serve you. Peace is not something you wish for. It's something you make, something you do, something you are, and something you give away. Live simply, love generously, care deeply, speak kindly. The art of being yourself at your best is the art of unfolding your personality into the person you want to be. Find peace in the rain, calm in the chaos. Peace is always beautiful. A peaceful heart makes a peaceful home. You are the sky. Everything else, it's just the weather. Peace is the result of retraining your mind to process life as it is, rather than as you think it should be. Serenity is not freedom from the storm, but peace amid the storm. Inner peace is the new success. Happiness is a choice, not a result. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Live in the sunshine, swim in the sea, drink the wild air. Where there is love, there is peace. The more you let go, the higher you rise. Peace is not the absence of trouble, but the presence of God. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Peace is the path to prosperity. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Peace is not something you wish for. It's something you make, something you do, something you are, and something you give away. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do.